always dreamed of sharing his life with Yang Yue. Yang Yue had always silently corresponded. He was just a turtle fisherman, and his family could not afford the wedding that Yang Yue deserved. So they said, so this is the storyline more or less. So when this is the book, this is going to be the cover,
yes.
Cover 1, open, blah 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 blah, and then you arrive to story 2 and you open, and it starts the story 2. So you spend all your life like growing this tree, the landscape of this book, if that's all.
We don't tend to spend time outside of
Right.
Well, yeah, because you see them all the time already.
It's negative.
But then,
So you can see exactly. But here the story, like one of the characters is a fisherman, turtle fisherman, and because people come here to fish the soft shell turtles in this canal and in the lake there. So. But this is like the core of the story here. This house, this gate. Her family was living here for more than 200 years, and she opened the house for us today. We have to be all together here inside. His dream of sharing his life with Yang Yue. Yang Yue had always silently corresponded. He was just a turtle fisherman, and his family could not afford the wedding that Yang Yue deserved. So they settled into the silent agreement of at least spending long hot afternoons in the attic, under the black single roof as a present. With it, he made a nice spicy soup, just the way he liked it. Just as he was serving his last scoop of soup, he noticed something shiny. By the time he woke up, the seed was germinated. He ran to the backyard and, with the greatest care, planted it in the sunniest part of the garden, thinking about all the things that he could get to have once the tree sprout. Eventually, Yang Yue, who had reached the top of the career, still felt a big void in her soul, and the house became a refuge to which she devoted most of her time. One Sunday, she decided to tidy up the orchard and hired a gardener to make a beautiful English garden out of it. For the first time in many years, she noticed that the tree, which grew in the sunniest spot of the garden, had yet never sprouted leaves. She thought it must be dead for firewood the next morning, in preparation for the cold and wet winter of Shanghai. That night, while she was making dinner, Bin showed up at the doorstep. It had been more than 10 years since she last saw him, so she invited him inside to recall the days when they used to hide in the attic.